Confira os próximos lançamentos da Top Tape na sua locadora. Você não pode perder.
New York City, home of the legendary New York Knicks.
Bailey, you gonna try something new tonight, like trying the coach?
But this season, the Knicks suck.
The free throw gets to be honorary coach for the second half.
Lend them a hand.
I found my new coach.
What's his name? Eddie.
You are not a coach. You're not a player looking like a little roach.
Nobody thought she could do it.
You are out of the game.
What are you doing?
I'm rocking the ball.
About damn time.
And finding out
Teams got a lot of play. Bad shots, bad coach.
Bad hair.
if her men have the equipment
You can't possibly be that stupid.
to go all the way.
Yo, Hastings, I went out with your mama last night.
Hollywood Pictures presents
You don't want to hustle. You don't want to do anything.
Whoopi Goldberg. Eddie.
You want your own wife kidnapped. Her dad, he's real well off. So why don't you just ask him for the money? See, these are personal matters. Personal matters?
Wait, it's Jerry. I don't know what to do. It's my wife. We gotta talk. It's something for G's. It's terrible.
And then this execution type deal.
$1 million is a lot of damn money. They got my daughter.
Who's Jean?
Who's Gene?
My wife.
The Lundegaard. Mind if I sit down? Johnny's quite a load here.
Where's Jerry?
Got your damn money. Now, where's my daughter?
Jeez.
Blood has been shed. We now want the entire 80,000.
I answered the darn... I'm cooperating here.
You have no call to get snippy with me. I'm just doing my job here.
What do you fellas got yourself mixed up in?
Police!
So, is there anything else you can tell me about him? He wasn't circumcised. Oh, yeah?
On the sixth day, God created man. On the seventh day, he rested. And on the eighth day, in the year 1996,
It is here, on this very island, that I have found the very essence of the devil. Now I am the law. There is no peace, saith the Lord, unto the wicked.
he's the best bounty hunter in town. And so is she. They're both on the trail. They've got 36 hours to track down a bail-jumping lowlife. Bounty Hunters, starring Michael Dudikoff and Lisa Howard.
Hey, wait!
Bounty Hunters.
you could tell me why you're here in Jericho.
I seem to remember a guy once told me this is a free country.
Jocko, this guy thinks it's a free country. Now you're free to go. Did you get your car fixed yet?
I was hoping maybe you could help me pay the damages.
I guess maybe you'll have to kill me.
It'll hurt if I do.
I don't want Mr. Smith working for Doyle. We need him.
But everybody liked me. Such a nice guy.
New Line Cinema presents Bruce Willis, Christopher Walken, and Bruce Dern in a story about a gun for hire who only works for himself. Last Man Standing.
Nothing personal.
I just want to know how you know for sure that there's only going to be 2 guys in the building.
For the past 6 weeks, every night they leave 2 reindeer in there. Dasher and Comet.
We'll be watching the place all day long to make sure it's that way tomorrow night.
Colombians sank a load of cash into it, and there's only one way for them to get it back out.
It was foul money. I've opened the door to hell, and I can't get it shut again.
We need to talk.
From the acclaimed director of Hearts of Darkness comes a new kind of thriller.
Hello, lady.
Joe Mantegna, Kelly Lynch.
Doesn't it scare you how much alike we are?
Persons Unknown.
When we came here first, there was nothing.
So why'd you move here then?
Work. A great tradition of art in these hills. You're in need of a ravisher.
Lucy, I'm dying for you.
I'm playing with the bow and arrow. Gonna give my heart away.
What about you? Love. That's not a word that I use.
You do have fantasies, right?
Everybody does.
You have a sort of joy in your eyes.
Yes.
Curiosity. I'm a little bit frightened. Reminds me so much of me somehow.
I just don't wanna be.
E não deixe de ver já na sua locadora. Ele é um agente altamente treinado, capaz de liquidar seu alvo a qualquer distância com uma única bala. Ele é o melhor e sua missão é eliminar pessoas. Mas seu desejo é destruir seu passado. E agora, ele se tornou alvo de seus próprios companheiros. Dolph Lundgren, de Soldado Universal, em Atirador de Elite. Ela só pensa em trabalho e esqueceu como é bom estar apaixonada. Ele é um florista que descobriu que nada vale sem amor. Um dia, ele resolveu lhe dar flores e ela lhe deu uma chance. Christian Slater, de A Última Ameaça, e Mary Stuart Masterson, de Tomates Verdes Fritos, vivem uma linda história de amor que só acontece uma vez na vida.
call it a day, Ron. Michelle's parents are coming over for dinner tonight.
You really gonna go through with it this time? I mean, the last 2 times you're supposed to meet them, you suddenly had to work overtime. You think you may have a problem with the commitment?
What do you call living together for 4.5 years?
Convenient?
Bravo 15, we have a 515 in progress with hostages at 9856 Front Street. Request air backup.
4 Bravo 15, copy. ETA approximately 3 minutes.
Copy.
Let's go.
Mickey, get the civilians out of here. Get out of here.
You got it. You got it. Okay, folks, come on, move back this side, Mickey. Okay, miss? Yeah, you take that side. Move back, please. So, man, I can't find the barriers. Just the very back. You don't say stand back, please.
What's Bane doing here?
Come on, Sarge, look at the media. It's photo opportunity time.
Sergeant, get those civilians the hell out of here. We're at it, Captain. What's the status inside?
We got 3 armed perps. Knocked off the bank in the village. Now they killed 1 clerk. Now they're inside with 8 hostages. I got the whole building surrounded right now.
We have a phone line in?
There's no response from the perps. I got an air support unit coming in.
Armed air patrol has been called in and
It's Gorski. 4 Bravo 15 is Gorski, sir.
Give me the radio.
Who's Gorski?
Gorski? He's been suspended twice in the last year. He's got a habit of doing things his own way.
Gorski, this is Captain Bane. Back off. This is a highly sensitive situation.
I've been briefed, Captain. Look, I got an open hatch up here. I'm going in.
Gorski will handle it from the ground. I'm negotiating.
Take over and put me down on the roof.
Oh, wait, Jake. I got a wife and kid to support. I can't afford a suspension.
Nobody's gonna get suspended here. Put me on the roof.
Bane hates your guts, and he's the acting chief.
Bane couldn't negotiate a hot meal into a starving man. Are you gonna trust the lives of these people to him? Somebody else is gonna get killed. All right.
Danny! You see anything back there? Danny! Danny! Get a hostage, man. Don't mess with me, cop! I got a hostage!
Freeze! I'm gonna shoot her, man. Give me the gun. I'm gonna shoot her. Look, if you ever want to have kids, you give me that gun. You're crazy, man. Maybe. But I can count.
Whoa, we got hostages. Come on, let's move in. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. Move it. Behind the car. Get down. Get down.
You good over there? What do you want?
obeyed my orders.
Everybody's safe, Captain.
Like father, like son. You disobeyed a direct order, and you're gonna face the disciplinary board. You wanna walk in your old man's shoes? Well, as of now, you're on traffic patrol.
Chase by police ended in a warehouse.
Honey, I'm home.
The gunman held employees hostage. NYPD Armed Air Patrol was called in, and Officer Jake Gorski entered the premises. After
You missed him?
They had a plane to catch, remember?
And rescue the hostages.
I'm sorry, honey. I got tied up.
Walter Bain.
This isn't working for me anymore.
What's not working?
Us. Super cop who only has time for saving lives, and the lowly bank tour guide who's obviously the only one committed to this relationship.
I'm committed.
To your job.
Oh, come on, Michelle. I mean, I just missed dinner.
You also missed the point. We have different priorities, Jake. There's no communicating with you.
Well, then we'll communicate. Come on, let's start right now.
I'm staying at Nancy's.
Michelle, wait.
I'm through waiting, Jake. I'll be by tomorrow night to pick up my stuff.
You called me this morning. I'm not surprised. I could see it coming.
I thought I was here for duty, not counseling.
It's procedure to address the superior as sir. Of course, you've got some problems with procedure, haven't you, Mr. Showboat? Ignoring directives, circumventing authority.
Just doing my job.
You're lucky you still have a job.
Oh, please. You're not going to give me the rules and regulations speech again, are you?
I'm on the line, too. You're my son. People question me.
What do they ask? What's the quickest way to get to Central Park from downtown during rush hour?
Listen, you. I was the first chopper cop your outfit had. 15 years up there. How many of you got? 6?
I'm still up there. I didn't get assigned to stand in front of a map for the rest of my life.
While you're flying for me, you fly by the numbers. You hear me? Because if something goes wrong, I can't help you.
I don't need your help.
Explosives ready?
All positioned and set.
Gentlemen. From this point on, you no longer have names. Only numbers. I will not tolerate a single mistake.
Welcome to the Gold Vault. We're 80 feet under New York City. Almost every country in the world stores its gold reserve here. At current prices, this room holds over $126 billion worth of gold.
Federal Reserve tour guides, can I help you?
Michelle Connor, please.
I'm sorry, she's on her tour.
Would you just tell her that Jake Gorski called again?
Thank you.
Traffic control, air downtown, over.
Air downtown, copy.
You're late with your report. You're supposed to be in at 3:30, over.
Air downtown reports cars.
And what are those cars doing?
Some of them are stopped at lights, and one of them is turning left.
Listen, wise guy, it's Friday evening. We've got almost 1 million vehicles on those streets, so keep your eyes open. And file your reports on time. Traffic center out.
What the hell?
Lieutenant, no problem.
Control, this is air downtown. I got a major explosion and vehicle fire on the Brooklyn Bridge. West End outgoing. Son of a... Explosion on the Manhattan Bridge.
Cameras are getting knocked out, Lieutenant.
Jake, stay with it. We're blind down here. Campbell, get medevac on the line.
Control, I'm seeing smoke from the battery tunnel.
Lieutenant, the Holland Tunnel's not transmitting.
Sir, Midtown Tunnel's out.
Dylan, get special ops on the line. Clicks, you alert all the hospitals. Woodsy, get all our choppers in the air. I tell them I want damage reports. Nobody goes home. Downtown is gridlocked. We're gonna reroute all bridge and tunnel traffic north over the Queensboro and George Washington
Somebody
bridges.
tell me what the hell's going on?
Take a look at the grid map. We got fires and explosions on every bridge and tunnel leading out of downtown. I'd say terrorism's what we got going on here.
Notify Special Op.
I've done that, also ATF and FBI.
Control, I'm gonna fly by the Holland Tunnel, see if I can get a closer look. You copy?
Yeah, Jake, copy.
Jake? Gorski? You got your kid flying? I sent him over here to fly a desk.
You didn't spell it out, Captain. He's a chopper pilot. I need him in the air.
Go.
You knew what I wanted. You deliberately ignored me.
Captain?
What?
The mayor.
Hello, Your Honor.
This door is solid titanium. It closes automatically every night at 5. It doesn't open again until the following business day. You can't get in and you can't get out. That's why everyone keeps their gold here. No one has ever broken into the Federal Reserve Bank of New York.
Hi. Sign in, please.
This is air downtown. Patch me through to the Federal Reserve Bank, please.
There you are. And where are you headed, Mr. Webb?
The loading dock.
The Federal Reserve Bank shreds more than $40 million a day in bills deemed too old for circulation. You're looking at $6 million.
I'll have to check your case.
Sure. Efficiency study.
On the belt, please.
Thank you.
Michelle, Jake's still holding on line 4.
Okay, tell him I'll be there in a minute. Thanks, Alice.
All right.
Hey, what a game. Did you see that? Sorry about your luck. Come on. Hey!
Back away from the console. Right now.
Hello, Jake.
Hey, I've been trying to reach you all day.
I've been trying to reach you for 4.5 years. I haven't changed my mind. I'm picking up my things after karate class.
No, don't even try getting to class. You won't even make it to Queens.
What are you talking about?
Honey, all the downtown exits are closed. Something real big is going down. We have had explosions on every major route.
Are you serious?
A lot of people have been hurt. Now do me a favor. Find a hotel and stay in town.
You gonna be okay?
I'm fine. I'm up here. It's you I'm worried about.
Thanks. I can take care of myself. Hey, listen, Jake, I gotta go. The bank's closing in 3 minutes, and it takes forever to get through security if I don't get out of here in time.
Okay, I'll be flying past your door in a couple minutes. Wave, huh?
Don't count on it. Bye, Jake.
Nick, the loading dock's down.
Station 7?
Your monitor's out. Everything okay down there?
Everything's fine. Must be a problem in the circuit.
We'll send somebody down.
Okay.
Go. Remember, you keep your masks on until the building is secure.
They tripped a silent alarm.
Mr. 2, we have 2 minutes to get up to that control room. You all have your assignments? Let's go.
Rear entrance secured.
Hold your position.
15 seconds. Go.
Come on, baby.
Federal Reserve Security, this is McCarthy? I know, I'm sorry. I accidentally bumped the alarm. My apologies. Security code? Certainly. "175, Michael 3, Victor 432. Well, I'm glad it was a false alarm. Hey, with that traffic out there, you guys would have a hell of a time getting over here. Bye. Cut all alarms. Police, fire, smoke. Cut all unsecured phone lines. You two, go to the vault. You, take these guards to the hostage room. Come on, let's go. Gentlemen, we're in.
Three here. Found a woman's shoe. Still warm.
Find her.
Yes, sir.
Control, this is Air Downtown.
Lieutenant, it's Gorski.
I'll take it. Gorski, this is Acting Chief Bain. I sent you to traffic to be grounded, and I'll be damned if I'll let you disobey me again.
Now you get back here. Somebody else can fly that chopper.
It looks like we've got criminal activity on the roof of the Federal Reserve.
What the hell are you doing there? You're supposed to be at the Holland Tunnel. Just get back here.
Did you copy me?
Hey, did you copy me? That's an order. Gorski? Gorski, do you copy? I want you grounded now! Gorski!
Idiot.
The vault closes in 10 minutes.
I know.
Mr. 3 here. I got the girl. I'm bringing her down. I don't got any time for any funny business.
Neither do I.
Three here. Don't move.
Okay, Gorski. Let's take the window.
That vault door closes and we can kiss this job goodbye.
I know it's the right combination.
It has to be.
Got it. 751, 17. Hurry, go.
The door's secure.
Open that door, Mr. Two. In each tray, gentlemen, you will find over $25 million. Our own modest fee for this little caper. The black cards with the currency identify the serial numbers of every bill. You bring those cards to me, Mr. 5, Mr. 6, and Mr. 7. Start loading up the cash.
The girl got away.
Why didn't you call for help?
She broke my headset, sir.
Mr. 8, Mr. 9, there's a girl running loose somewhere upstairs. Find her!
There's another one. A cop. Traffic control, he landed his chopper on the roof. He must have seen me grab the girl.
And Regnard for help! You were this close! Where is he?
In the back. He came in through the loading dock door.
If he landed a helicopter on the roof, how the hell did he get to the loading dock?
On the fire hose. He saw my face.
Mr. 1. He's heading for the coin room.
4. Go with him. And this time, you better kill him. Mr. 10, go to the loading dock. If that door is open, make sure the damn thing's closed so it won't open again.
We've got a problem.
You know how I feel about problems.
Take a look out your window.
Where's the cop?
About to be terminated. The question is, has he radioed for help?
I'll find out.
You know, you assured me this kind of thing wasn't going to happen.
Somebody screwed up.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
I'll take care of it.
Damn it! Love this glass. I thought you guys were only good for parking meters and telephones.
Here are the cards.
Mr. 5, that cop's armed now. You take care of him.
Yes, sir.
Michelle.
Jake, get off me!
Oh! What was that for?
You hurt me.
Well, you hurt me first.
I didn't know it was you. I didn't even know if you saw me on the roof. I'm not glad to see you.
Where did you learn to fight like that?
I had a lot of time for classes, remember? You were never home.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Down, down!
Where's your gun?
Oh, yeah. You kicked it out of my hand. Go, go.
had enough of them.
Let's go. I need to get that traffic moving. Now, if we can't get the tow trucks through, we'll get the choppers with power magnets. We airlift the wreckage out.
You're not gonna touch those sites until our anti-terrorist unit finishes with them.
Are you crazy? That could take hours.
Could take days. It's a crime scene, Gorski. Now, instead of whining about what can't be changed, find an alternative solution. Now, guys, I gotta deal with the mayor. Can you give me an estimate as to how long it's gonna take?
Traffic control, air downtown. Air downtown, come in. How long since we've heard from Jake?
Half hour.
Where the hell is he? Check with the news chopper, see if anybody up there's seen him.
Got it. Up or down?
Down. Up.
Up. They've woke up.
They're in the stairwell at 5, heading up.
Why is it that one can't find decent help these days?
Now what?
Go, go, go!
Jake, that door's the only way off the roof.
Don't worry. There's only two of them. Make that 3. Let's go.
There's nowhere to go. We're 14 stories up.
Trust me.
Like being home in time for dinner?
I told you I was sorry. Go, go!
Mr. Wright, hold this position.
Trust me?
Well, you couldn't ask for a better view.
Thank you.
So, how was the rest of your day? We'll push off this building, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, traffic cop. That's the way it's done.
You okay?
No.
Lieutenant, one of the news choppers spotted Jake flying over Wall Street around 5, but nobody near the Holland Tunnel seen him.
Get Delano on the line. 4 Bravo 15.
That's armed air patrol. It's outside our department.
I know. Do it quietly.
Yes, sir. Say, Carl, should we grab a coffee? Four Bravo 15, 4 Bravo 15.
4 Bravo 15, copy.
Delano, it's Joe Gorski. I need a favor. I want you to do a flyby on Wall Street, see if you can spot Jake's chopper.
No can do. I'm heading in to refuel right now, then I got orders up to Midtown.
Just a quick visual, low pro. Nobody needs to know you're doing this.
I'm lucky I still have a job after what happened yesterday. I can't do it.
Jake flew over about an hour ago. I haven't heard from him since.
After I refuel, if I got time, I'll get back to you. Over.
Where are we?
Board of Governor's room.
Made you play poker with these guys, huh?
Hey, how come it's just you here? How come there's no backup or something?
Well, nobody knows I'm here.
What?
You don't think I can handle it?
Jake, I wasn't questioning your manhood. Don't you have a radio on that helicopter?
Yeah, there's a radio on the helicopter, but there's an idiot on the other end of it. Don't worry. I'll get you out of here. Just gotta find a phone that works.
Where are you going?
Loading dock. There's a door open down there. Follow me. You coming?
Do you know where you are?
The Board of Governor's room.
You're 12 stories above the loading dock. Do you know there are surveillance cameras all over this building?
That makes sense.
Do you know where they are?
No.
Do you know where the elevators are or the stairwells?
What's your point?
My point is, this is my territory. Don't say follow me. You need me. Admit it. Just say it. You need me.
Could we just go? I mean, we'll talk about that later.
There you go again, avoiding conflict.
Now, wait a minute. I came into the middle of an armed bank robbery for you. How can you possibly say I'm avoiding conflict?
I'm talking about you and me. All I'm asking you to do is to admit that you need me. Just say it.
We gotta go.
Don't.
What?
That corridor's got cameras.
Well, did you see any other way out of this room?
How many lives do these people have? Who's this cop?
He's not traffic control.
His name is Gorski. He's an armed air patrol cop who's supposed to be grounded.
Supposed to be is not good enough.
He's one man. Take care of him.
He's a breakdown at your end. I don't appreciate assurances that are not kept.
I can assure you of the only fact of consequence. He did not radio for help. Take care of him. And Mr. One, don't ever raise your voice to me again.
Another camera.
Mr. 3. Let's wrap this up.
Door's closed.
Jake!
What? I know. We gotta find a switch.
It's here.
It's useless.
Now what are we gonna do? They had to have seen us on the monitors, Jake. Let's not get trapped in here.
Wait a minute. I want to see what we're up against.
Wow.
Double wow.
They're not too bright. Every one of those bars has a serial number. And the Fed lists a serial number for every bill it destroys. This stuff's worthless.
What is a bar of bullion worth anyway?
If you can sell it, about 160,000.
Hostages. Where are they?
Employees' gym. It's in the basement.
Looks like some of them are in pretty bad shape. We gotta get them out of there.
Jake, you don't even have a gun. Pepper spray? We need help.
All right, this'll help. Gold armored cars have radios?
Hello? Hello? Dispatch, who's this?
Jake Gorski, NYPD. Patch me through the NYPD traffic control.
I'm sorry, this is an authorized channel. I'm gonna need you to drive right.
Jake.
End of the line. How do I kill you? Drive a wooden stake through your heart? Insurance companies must love you. Loading dock secured.
Sorry about your face, man. I mean, it wasn't personal, you know. I mean, after all, you were spraying bullets at me pretty good. I mean, I didn't take that personal, no, did I? No. No hard feelings, huh? Shoot him! Shoot him!
I just got a call from Armed Air Patrol saying you asked one of the guys to do a flyby look for your kid.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, the hell you do. I know your whole story, Gorski. Not doing the job is genetic in your family.
I don't owe you chapter and verse on this, Walt. This is my operation.
Not anymore. You, Reynolds, you're in charge. Clean out your desk.
That little guy is strong. Why'd you shoot him when you had the chance?
If you hadn't have been in the way, I would have. Right now, you're making me feel like it was worth a gamble. Where are you going?
The gym.
That's the wrong way. It would really help if you would let me know what you're trying to do.
Get the hostages.
And then what? We can't even get ourselves out of this place. We're sealed in here.
What, is there some sort of central computer system that controls the locks?
Yes.
Where is it?
Thank you for asking. 3rd floor.
All right, let's go.
It's this way.
Go.
Stop.
Fort Bravo 15, this is traffic control. Come in, please.
Fort Bravo 15, copy. I'm over the Fed now.
I'm looking at his chopper. No sign of Jake.
Say, Lieutenant, the chopper's on the roof of the Federal Reserve. Jake's not in it.
That's it. We got a situation at the Fed.
I gave you an order.
I've got visual confirmation.
Get him out of here.
What the hell is the matter with you? Are you gonna ignore this?
I'm gonna ignore you. You think I don't know your kid's girlfriend works at the Fed, huh? Guess what he's doing right now?
Walt, you are too stupid to live.
Get him out of here.
You're going down on this.
Get out of here.
You're going down on this.
You're through, Gorski.
They're not idiots. They're erasing the serial numbers from all the bills. The bullion, too.
These guys are good.
There's no way to break in here, Jake. It's too complicated. Somebody had to know all the access codes.
Who would know them?
President of the bank, board of governors, a couple people in Washington, maybe.
Wait a minute, what's going on here?
Somebody's wiring $5 million to an account in Switzerland.
Somebody. It's after banking hours. Who's it coming from? Where's it going?
It's all numbered accounts.
Nice touch. Now, how do we open the door locks?
How would I know? That's top security.
Then what are we doing here?
It was your idea.
Well, can you stop this?
I'm not a computer whiz, Jake.
I am. Oops.
Turn off the alarm! What happened here?
I went to the bathroom.
Look at it! We're blind! This is Mr. One. False alarm. Proceed as planned. Where's your headset?
It's the New York City Police Department.
So the policeman has a radio. Fortunately, the frequency is secured, but it is kind of you to tune in.
And who might you be?
Someone who's losing patience with you, Officer Gorski.
You know my name.
Of course. And the name of the helicopter pilot who is circling the building as we speak. Delano, isn't it?
Ron's onto him.
He's there.
Don't blink. He's leaving.
Jake, he's gone.
If the guy on the radio is not inside the bank, he's got to be real close. He can see Ron's chopper.
Good for him. Our help just flew away, Jake. But do they think it's normal for your helicopter to be parked on the roof? Why would Joe send Ron over and then send him away?
Honey, Joe didn't send Ron. Ron's Armed Air Patrol's got nothing to do with traffic. You think positive, huh? They know something's going on here. They'll be back. Besides, those perps can't monitor us anymore, right? So all we gotta do is hide out. Or... You know this bank inside out.
Well, finally, a recognition.
What do you say we slow these guys down?
We? You and me?
Yeah.
I lead.
You lead.
Come on.
All right. Elevator on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Close the door!
Up or down?
They're in a cargo elevator, heading up.
Wow. You know, we could have a nice life together with 50 million.
At this point, I'd settle for a life.
Officer Gorski, where are you going with my money?
To tell you the truth, I'm kind of playing it by ear.
What?
But when I decide, you'll be the first to know.
I hate to bear bad tidings, but an elevator only goes up or down.
Nice pop.
Did you burn your hands?
I'm fine. Hit the up button.
Let me see them. Oh, Jake.
We're not moving.
Michelle! Get off the elevator and send it up one floor!
They're in the basement, level 2.
Come on. Jake, you've been hit.
Yeah.
You okay?
Fine. Hold it, guys. You realize that if you shoot at us and miss, you'll hit each other. Shoot! Where are we?
Shredding room.
Don't tell me that's the only door out of here. What's that do?
Do it.
Come on!
They got away! What's the matter with you idiots? Do I have to put a bullet in your heads?
Traffic, Runnels.
Yeah, it's me.
Hey, where are you?
I'm down the block.
Okay, look. Vane sent Delano back to Midtown. We got a couple of motorists down there gone berserk shooting at each other. Things are getting way out of hand.
Look, open up my Rolodex. Find me a number for McCullough Construction.
Joe, what's happening with you guys? I can't move a piece of equipment.
We're doing the best we can, Lou. Look, I need a favor.
Shoot.
I gotta get down to Wall Street pronto. Can you pick me up in one of your choppers?
Sorry, Joe, I got nothing available except the Huey. There's no way I can land that midtown. You want to come down to the Battery? You got it.
Wall Street or the Battery. I'm still walking. I'll see you, Lou.
Joe must be worried sick.
About you, maybe.
And about you.
Let's not get into this, okay?
Can I just say one thing?
No.
He fell off a pedestal you put him on. That's not his fault. He's just a man. Here, let me do that. What are you doing?
Appreciating you. You know that we could die here. And I'd hate to die thinking that you were mad at me.
I'm not mad at you.
I'll get you out of here.
I know. But could we just stay right here for a little while? Just have a rest.
Tired?
Mm-hmm. And hungry.
Oh. You know where they hide the food in this kitchen?
I'll check it out.
Well, while you're at it, see if you can find a nice bottle of wine and some candles. Where is she?
Geiger.
Where is she?
Michelle? Why, she's with the rest of the employees. We're about to experience the explosion of a lifetime. 5 minutes, tops.
Ah!
Jake should be rescuing you any minute now.
NYPD! Michelle Connor's in there?
No!
I get back.
Everybody move!
Oh, what? Anything breaking this place? Where are the keys?
Central control is a box by the monitors.
All set.
Ready.
Get down.
Which one?
Blue head.
Okay, everybody out of here. Come on, there's a bomb in here. Go, move!
Let's go, people. Let's go. Come on.
Come on! Get down!
Where is she? She's with me, Jake. She's our insurance policy.
And by the way, my men and I thank you. We had a 12-way split in the money. You helped produce it.
Good work. Goodbye. We won't be speaking anymore.
Aside from the loading dock, where can the truck get into this building?
Nowhere.
Subway station. Let's go.
All right. As soon as this one's on, let's get this truck out of here. Keep going. That's it.
Metropolitan Transit Authority.
Jay Gorski, NYPD. Patch me through to the NYPD traffic control.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah?
Jake Gorski's on the phone for the lieutenant. You want to take it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Line 3.
Jake. Yeah, it's Charlie Runnels. Where are you?
Wall Street subway station.
Okay.
I'll take it. Gorski, it's Captain Bain.
Bain, I'm down here with a bunch of perps who just knocked off a couple $100 million from the Federal Reserve.
Is this a joke?
Now, you'll be one if you don't get your butt down here.
I'll take care of it.
Traffic.
It's me. Any news?
So you finally found a phone that works, huh, Jake? Fortunately, it's not gonna do you any good. You go back to work. This one's mine.
Make a deal with you. Give me the name of the guy you're working for, and I won't kill you.
Well, if I did that, he'd kill me. Come on, man. Let's do it right here. Don't make me chase you. I'm tired. After all, moved 1,000 gold bars today. Must say, you're quite a resourceful man, Gorski.
Quiet, too.
Look, I'll take care of her. All right? I'll take care of her!
What are you doing here? Change of plan. I know I promised you half the bullion, but that's $80 million. And I am a businessman.
We'll meet at the garage in 2 weeks.
Good evening, Miss Connor.
Heard you were in trouble.
You see a truck go by? It's gotta be a big one, because it's hauling tons of gold bullion.
About a block away. 4-ton DOT truck.
Transit truck. That makes sense. Nobody questioned that. Which way to go?
North.
Look, I gotta get to that truck.
We'll call it in. We'll set up roadblocks.
Joe Michelle's in that truck. I gotta find it.
I got a chopper at the battery.
Okay, let's go.
I can see why your policeman friend risked his life in that bank.
I know you.
Do you know?
I've seen you at the bank. Martin Joss.
I'm flattered.
That's how they had all the codes. You sit on the board of half a dozen major corporations. You own half this city. Why rob the Federal Reserve Bank?
Greed.
Where to? Where would you unload 1,000 bars of gold? I wouldn't trust the airport. Too much security. Land or sea? All right, head north. Maybe the rail yards in New Jersey, Long Island, huh? Try the west side first. We'll have a hell of a lot of time.
We'll find them. That paint job will be easy to spot. Truck carrying a load like that is going to be moving fast.
You're lucky I already wired you the money because you did not come through for me. No. I don't want to hear about your problems. I've got a problem of my own right here, and you gave it to me.
If that was the $5 million wired to a Swiss account tonight, forget about it. I canceled the transaction.
I like you.
Maybe they took the side roads.
Take it easy. We can always swing back another route.
So, Joe, you actually ran all the way from 23rd down to Wall Street?
Hey, I got that fast in the traffic flow.
Never knew you to be a runner.
I never was.
There it is. All right, fly past. Let's see who's in the cab.
It's only a driver.
You must be in the back.
Yes?
There's a chopper out here.
Police?
Hard to see with the spotlight in my face.
Then shoot the damn thing out!
Fall back, low!
Can you put me down on that truck? Can you ride a cable? We'll find out. Joe, I need your gun.
Here.
Can't you get a shot?
How can I shoot? He's behind me.
That's 30,000 pounds! I can't lift it!
One thing he's not, Lou, is crazy. Take a shot. If it looks failed, release it.
It's your call, Joe! Hang on! What the hell? You okay?
Untie me.
Maybe my last chance to take advantage.
Jake!
Hey! Give me the gun. Easy. All right. Pull over.
The guy you knocked out is Martin Chas. I think it would be a good idea to press recall on his phone.
Yeah. Hello? Who is this?
You guys all right? You all right?
Yeah, we're fine.
So you collared them, huh? Good work. We'll take them in, okay?
Should I, or,
Let me.
Oh!
Easy, guys. Pardon the gun, I just don't know if you're real cops or not. Joe, check their ID. You know, Bane, I always thought you were a stupid cop. I think I overestimated you. You're under arrest for armed robbery and murder.
These are our guys, Jake.
Cuff them.
Come on, it's all right. Come on, Walt. We're gonna clean out your desk.
So, what do you think? You ready to come home?
Do you need me?
I need you. Hey, Dad. You, want to have a cup of coffee with us?
I'll take a rain check. You guys look like you could use a little time alone.
Hold it. That's for growing up.